As you guys can see, it's raining really hard actually. Oh, that is all flooded. You see that? Crazy. My grass looks like a rice planter, and it is just pouring. I'm gonna go out front and show you guys how bad it really is out front. It's like 7 feet of water. It's pretty bad. I went out here earlier to take some pictures with my cell phone, but right there you can see already how much water is flowing out, and over there it's just all flooded at that right there, that intersection. Right there it's flowing down in my backyard. I'm gonna get my shoes and take some better shots for you guys. Look at my shoes. They're all wet from when I went out there before. Alright, here's a car that's coming by. You can see how bad the rain is. Watch this, guys. Oh, never mind. I'll go open up my umbrella. Alright, we're ready. Stuff is pretty bad. You guys can see all the water flowing out all the way over there down the street, and it's all the water that's right here. Pretty bad. Let me try to cross. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but that right over there is flooded above the curb. And this is bad. All that. Alright, you guys can see this car come by. Watch all the water. He didn't go by fast. Last time, all the water went like 6 feet. But you can see right here how bad that's flooded. Another car. I didn't have a lot of water. I'll try to cross right now. Before, the water was even worse. It was raining harder. All of it was above that little thing right there. So, oh, shoe got wet right there. You guys can see right now. Look at this, all that water rushing from up there. Whew. It's horrible. This drain is already all flooded. It came up all the way up to here, and it's still just coming out. And right there, all that water just rushing. Hopefully it's still here. Oh yeah. It's like a wave maker. See all that water? Oh, here's a car coming up. See all that water? Well, look at this, you guys. It's like making waves. All the way up to there. And all this is just rushing water. If I stick my foot in, watch. All that. See all the way over there too. It's really coming down still. It's supposed to get worse tomorrow also. There should be a couple of water spouts, actually. It's just horrible right now. I'll stick my... Oh, here's another car for you. 2 cars for you guys. See, they go fast. Alright. That's pretty bad. And check this out. That person sucks. Okay, but anyway, that's pretty much my whole street. Well, my block. It's really bad right now. I hope it calms down. No, actually, no, I don't, because I like the rain and thunder and all that. So, yep, I'll give you guys one last shot. Oh, there. That's pretty bad. And that hillside's going to come down pretty soon. The rain continues, and all this rushing water. There's one more shot for you guys. And then, oh, if you can see the water's kind of calmed down. Right there. All that. It's crazy. You look all down there. All that water. It's just like a lake. So, thanks for watching my show. Alright, you guys get one more car and that's it. Because it's special. All that water is sitting there now. Another car. You guys must be really special. Okay, well, I gotta go before I start growing fungus on my feet. So, thank you for watching. Okay, you guys get one more car. That's it. Okay, come on. Alright. And if you guys want, you can see my backyard too. It's inside. That's flooded pretty bad. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but it's all coming out right here. So yeah, thanks for watching all my rain and suffering and all that jazz. I bet you guys had a good time. Oh, stinky cars. I really love you guys. That's why I'm showing you guys all these cars going by. Oh, that guy sucks. Alright. Well, I gotta go outside. Thank you for watching. Bye.